Hey everybody, welcome back to another graphic design technology training technical video for Skills Canada. Today we're talking about black logo sizes, and what I mean by that is when you are required to include barcodes and certain logos, oftentimes in the requirements it's going to tell you that they must be used at 100% size and must be 100% black. In the case of a barcode, you also have something called a quiet zone, which is a white sort of space around it. This is very important, and sometimes you really should double check this to make sure that everything is at the right size and that it is 100% black. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you go into Illustrator in this case and you look at this file, you're going to first of all want to make sure that everything is set to CMYK. And so to do that, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Document Color Mode, you're going to make sure it's set to CMYK color. When you select the items within your document, in this case the barcode, you want to check your colors and make sure that it is only at 100% black and nothing else. All right. And as a final check, you also want to make sure that when you go to your separations preview, you turn off your black and everything should disappear. All right, that tells you that there is only black being used, and that tells you it's 100%. And the last thing I want to mention is that when the object is selected, you're going to have this size right here that you're going to see of this entire object. If that changes, if you scale it, you will lose marks. So jumping over to the InDesign document, here's the object in the actual package, and the way that I would check it really quickly is by going into separation preview in InDesign and just turning off my black to make sure that it disappears like it's supposed to. If you've done all those checks and everything looks right, then you know that you've got it set correctly and that the size hopefully is correct. It hasn't changed size, and you know it's also 100% black as well.